Happy Sunday, and thanks for watching Cooking with Camp. Today we're going to do a tri-tip, but we're not going to sear it. We're going to low and slow it. I've done the sear. Now I thought I'd try and see if I could get like a real tender roast almost for dinner tonight. What I did last night, I marinated it in some low sodium Dales and let it sit all night. Took it out this morning and put some Montreal Spicy Steak seasoning on it. I've tried this seasoning. It's good on just about anything. So I put some Montreal Spice seasoning on it. I took me some Mojobricks. Today I'm going to use the Mojobrick hickory, and I put it in the grill and I got it up and the smoke was great. So we're going to stick the meat on the grill and hope for the best. I haven't, see how tender I can get it. I may wrap it in a couple hours and let it cook wrap for about an hour and just see how it turns out. But I'll try to keep you updated on what's going on with it, and hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching Cooking with Camp. Okay, we've been on about 3 hours, so it's looking good. We're starting to get a little bit of bark going there. So I'm fixing to wrap her up. Put her back on here for about an hour. See how it goes. Okay, we're done with the cook. It turned out real good and real tender. As you can see, the meat almost looks like a roast when it got done. I'll show you another shot of it here. It's real tender. That spicy seasoning really has a good taste to it. So next time you do a tri-tip, try smoking it and see how tender you can get it. If you like roast and that kind of stuff, you like your meat real tender, give it a shot because it's a good piece of meat. Anyway, have a good week. Thanks for watching Cooking with Camp.